Miami is a vibrant city, known for its sunny weather, stunning beaches, and luxurious homes. However, the subtropical climate that makes Miami so appealing also brings unique challenges for homeowners, particularly when it comes to maintaining their homes. One of the most important aspects of home maintenance is ensuring that your windows are in top condition. While some homeowners might attempt to replace their windows themselves, many are choosing to hire professional window replacement services for a number of compelling reasons. Expertise and experience. One of the primary reasons Miami homeowners are opting for professional window replacement services is the expertise and experience that professionals bring to the table. Window replacement might seem like a manageable DIY task, but it requires a significant amount of technical knowledge and skill to do it correctly. Professionals have years of experience, allowing them to accurately measure, choose the right materials, and install the windows with precision. By hiring a professional, homeowners can rest assured that the job will be done efficiently and effectively. Quality products. Another advantage of choosing professional window replacement services is access to high-quality products. While homeowners might opt for cheaper, lower-quality materials for their DIY projects, professional services usually offer high-end windows that are designed to withstand the harsh Florida climate. Miami's humid conditions, salt air, and occasional hurricanes require windows that are durable and energy efficient. Professional services have access to the best brands and materials, ensuring that homeowners get windows that are built to last and offer long-term value. Energy efficiency. Miami homeowners are becoming increasingly aware of the importance of energy efficiency, and replacing outdated or inefficient windows is a great way to improve home energy consumption. Older windows can allow drafts and air leaks, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your utility bills. Professional window replacement services can guide homeowners toward energy-efficient window options that meet Miami's specific needs, such as impact-resistant glass and advanced insulation technology. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment while saving money on their energy bills. Hurricane protection. Living in Miami means that homeowners must be prepared for the possibility of hurricanes. Standard windows may not provide the level of protection needed during a storm. Many professional window replacement services offer hurricane-resistant windows, which are built to withstand high winds and debris. These windows are designed to protect not only the home's structural integrity but also the safety of the residents. In addition to offering peace of mind during storm season, hurricane windows can also reduce the risk of property damage, which is especially important in areas prone to hurricanes like Miami. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. In addition to their functional benefits, new windows can significantly improve the aesthetics of a home. Whether a homeowner is looking to modernize their home or maintain its classic charm, the right windows can enhance the overall look of the property. Professionals can help homeowners choose windows that complement their home's architecture, ensuring that the result is both stylish and functional. Not only does this improve the curb appeal, but it can also increase the home's market value. If a homeowner plans to sell in the future, high-quality, energy-efficient windows can be a strong selling point. Time and cost saving. While the initial cost of hiring a professional window replacement service might seem high, it can actually save homeowners money in the long run. Professionals work quickly and efficiently, reducing the time the project takes. Additionally, because they have access to high-quality materials at better prices, they can often provide a better deal than homeowners might find on their own. Moreover, by avoiding mistakes that could arise from a DIY approach, homeowners save money on potential repairs or corrections down the line. Peace of mind. Lastly, perhaps one of the most significant reasons why Miami homeowners are choosing professional window replacement services is the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job will be done right. With a professional service, homeowners don't have to worry about the stress, time, or hassle of handling a complex project on their own. Additionally, many professional services offer warranties and guarantees on their work, providing further reassurance that the job will be done correctly and last for years to come. In conclusion, Miami homeowners are increasingly turning to professional window replacement services to ensure their windows are not only beautiful but also energy efficient, hurricane resistant, and durable enough to withstand the challenges of the Miami climate. From the expert installation to the long-term benefits of improved home value, energy savings, and protection against the elements, professional window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners looking to enhance the comfort, safety, and aesthetics of their home.